Hello viewers, you are watching Noob Clinic. Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to install the Windows 8 on your PC or laptop. So let's start. First, create a USB flash drive with Windows 8 on ISO file. Then restart your PC. Then change your boot option to USB flash drive. Then you can see this interface look like that. So select the language. My language is English. Then click on install Windows. Then select which version of Windows do you want to install. I'm going to install Windows 8.1 Pro. Then click install updates and NetFarmer 3.5. Okay. Then active Windows permanently and recovery options. Then click on skip this step and then click on manual partitioning. Yes. Setup is starting. Just wait for a while. Okay, select a drive where you want to install the Windows and format the old files, data files, and click on next. Now wait for installing process. After this process, your PC automatically going to restart. Installing features. This will take a few minutes. After installing updates, your computer automatically going to restart. Okay. Windows is loading. Getting devices ready. 10%. Pressing start. Okay. Again restart and the Windows is again loading. Okay, region and language. Select your country. Just select time zone. Click on next. Okay, then enter your PC name. Then use username. Finalizing your settings. Hi. installing apps. Just wait for a while. Let's start. Okay guys, congratulations, you successfully installed the Windows 8.1 on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.